Capturing beauty, sunrise chat on the mountain.
Muhammad Affan, isn't it incredible how the world seems to wake up with the sun?
Absolutely, Zainab. There's something magical about witnessing the birth of a new day from up here.
You know, Affan, it's moments like these that make me appreciate the simple joys of life.
You're absolutely right. The sunrise is like a reminder from nature to slow down and appreciate the present moment.
Have you ever thought about how the sun rises without fail, regardless of what's happening in the world?
Indeed, Zainab. Even when life gets tough, the sun rises, and it reminds us that there's always light after darkness.
Look at those colors. The way the sky transforms from darkness to shades of orange and pink is simply mesmerizing.
It's like a masterpiece being painted right before our eyes. Mother Nature is the greatest artist.
And we are the fortunate audience, getting to witness this daily spectacle.
Zainab, I'm grateful we came up here today. This sunrise and our conversation are moments I'll cherish.
Me too, Affan. Sometimes, all you need is the rising sun and a friend to share it with to feel truly alive. Affan, do you ever wonder what the world was like before all our modern distractions?
Oh, absolutely, Zainab. I imagine it was simpler, more in tune with nature, much like this moment we're experiencing now.
You know, Affan, watching the sunrise feels like a reset button for my soul. It washes away all the worries of yesterday.
I feel the same way, Zainab. It's a chance to start the day with a fresh perspective and a grateful heart.
We will be back soon with more exciting videos and fun.